Hi, in this video I will show you how you can check informations about your RAM on a Redmi A5. All you have to do is just swipe up, go to the settings and scroll all the way down to the About phone. Click on it, scroll down again and keep clicking build number couple of times. Now when it's done, go back, go to the system and developer options. Now go to memory and here you will have informations about your RAM. But when you are doing this for first time, you have to enable it by clicking the switcher over here and you will need to restart your phone. Now, what we can see here, average memory use of RAM in gigabytes, total memory in gigabytes, average use in percent, and 3 gigabytes of RAM. When you are unlocked additional 3 gigabytes of RAM, you will have here 5.9 gigabytes of RAM. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Bye.